Hi everyone, welcome back to TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy crypto through your PayPal. All you need to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, log in into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. So in order to buy crypto, you'll have to tap on buy Bitcoin and more, which is right in center. And now on the next page, you'll have to select the cryptocurrency. So all you have to do is just tap on buy, which is right in the corner. So after you're done selecting the cryptocurrency on the other interface, once again tap on buy, which is right at the bottom. So right in center there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then tap on continue. So on the other interface you'll have to enter the amount, and once you're done tap on next. After you're done entering the amount, now you'll have to select the payment method, and once you're done selecting it, tap on next. After you select your payment method on the other interface, make sure to go through all of your information correctly and then tap on buy now, and then you have successfully completed the process. In order to see your purchase, once again you'll have to go back to your home page, and then in the bottom left corner of your screen you can see your cryptos. So that is how you can buy crypto through your PayPal account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.